Okay, the old sink had some kind of cut in one of the basket strainers, and there was no way to save it. So the tile's gonna be replaced right here, and we got a new sink. But we got a bigger issue here. These galvanized lines are leaking. So they're just so, it's leaking out the back here. So that means repipe, partial at least. So the kitchen is right here, but I don't know. I mean, this is gonna be a tough one. Look at that, it's sopping wet. That is sopping wet right there, dude. Wow. Yep, there's the copper pipe right there. See it? So, okay, well that's good. That's good news. Oh, wait. No, that's Galvy. Here, let me turn the light on. So that's Galvy right there. But, oh, okay. See, they adapted. Or maybe this isn't galvanized. See it? So look. So the water line comes down, and then 90's up, and 90's over, and then that's going up into the kitchen right there. And then that's the cold right there. So you get the hot here, and the cold. All right. Okay, maybe this isn't good. T's off. Where that T goes to right there. I don't know where that goes. It's probably, oh man. Not good, dude. It's gonna be difficult. Knock all this out. Look at all this water damage. Thing is soaking. You can see him dripping like a sieve. So my initial assessment is 50% right. All of this, that guesstimate was right. But what I didn't take into consideration is inside the hot and cold tee off, and guess what? Boom, straight to the second floor apartment. That's the kitchen right above there. So that's the kitchen window, and the one above that is the kitchen window. So let me show you what I mean, which makes this that much more difficult. So, sorry, I'm in your way. So that's the hot and cold for this unit. They 90 right there. But see how they tee off right and left. That feeds the kitchen. above us. So that means we either adapt to those T's right there, going left and right, or we repipe. I mean, we could do megapress and call it a day, but I don't know. Okay, so this is gonna be the end of part 1. So I gotta talk to the owner about what they want to do, because this 3/4 goes all the way down and then it shoots all the way down. So we'd have to open up all of this. And then, as I showed you earlier, we got the T's coming off the hot and cold for this kitchen. But as we saw in the repipe we did on the back side of this building a couple weeks ago, the cold goes up this way and then comes back under. That's how they piped them. That goes out, around, under, and back. That's the kitchen. So I'm gonna give the owner the option. I'm gonna say, look, we can adapt. It'd be like this. I can megapress that and we can adapt, no problem. But we'd also have to do that twice on those 1/2-inch lines inside. But eventually this will have galvanic corrosion. But I know a lot of guys who use these, and they say these last longer than unions, which I believe, because unions are trash. I hate unions. I don't stock them. I don't use them. I will never buy a union ever again in my entire life, in my plumbing career. So, got to give the owner these options right here. Either we adapt, right? Or all of this will be open. I mean, there's literally, and I don't know about, I guess we could run copper lines outside, but I think you'd get in trouble for that, because the city of LA does inspections every 2 years and they'd be like, hey, what is this? And he'd get dinged on that and then have to pull a permit, and it'd be a freaking nightmare. So we adapt down there, and then we'd also have to adapt with this, with a 1/2-inch one on that and on that one. End of part 1. All right, we're back, and of course the owner wants to go with the cheaper option, which is the megapress couplings. But right now I'm gonna cut that out. We don't need that clean out there. We got one right here, and there's nothing that what's coming off the Santee is the vent, so we really don't need a clean out right there since we have that one. No hub band right there. All right, let's get started. This is gonna need 2 hands. All right. Got all this glued in. Now I'm gonna prepare the megapress fittings. We got some copper that will run down. And then we'll stub up with press adapters for Uponor and then run Oopies. Okay, the water's off. Now we're about to start cutting. I'm gonna cut right here, put a ball valve, and then run copper. Okay. Okay, we just cut out the last of the galvy. I got a 45. Went to an Uponor adapter, and we'll run Uponor up, and then this guy's gonna go on there right like that. All right, this is what you call modern plumbing. Boom. Attila the No Fun Hun showed up just so he could see modern plumbing in action. Actually, can you take that off just for a second? I just want to make sure. All right, that's inserted. Nice. Boom. That's what you call modern plumbing. Wow. Try getting a threader up in there. You ain't doing that. Okay, now Uponor will reduce to 1/2 inch, and then we'll go up into the kitchen, which is right there. Now we're inside. Now it's mega press time once again. There we go.
Cool, right?
Yeah. That's it. Can you get it back any further? There you go. There you go.
I can't open up the door.
Okay, I know I was talking crap the other day about dull angle stops, but these, I'm not even tripping anymore. These really are much higher quality than brass craft. I mean, yeah, I kind of do too. I mean, feel those. Feel how. Yeah. These are just very heavy duty.
Yeah, man.
And well made. I mean, feel the on and off.
I could just feel the weight of it.
Yeah, the weight of it is just more.
On and off too is like more secure.
Yeah. So, but here you go. Let's hope these don't leak. Put some Dahl valves on. They're only $1 more than the brass craft ones.
Fuck brass craft.
So I'm gonna start going with Dahls. I'm Dahl for life now, bro. This is the first Dahl valves I've ever bought, but I'm Dahl for life. Tell you that right now. All right, let's hope there's no leaks, guys, and goils. I'm really concerned about those because, well, I don't know why I'm concerned. All right, the water's back on. I don't see any leaks. He's probably cracking it though, so I bet you it's not full pressure just yet. I don't see any leaks. I mean, it's completely full now. Yeah, boy. Turned out pretty good. I mean, we made a frickin' diamond fit amongst the turd. All this stuff was unlevel. I mean, it's literally as good as we could get it without demoing out everything. All right, let's try it. Let me turn the new dolls on. Oh yeah, I love those, man. All right, aerator's off. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, it's all right. Make sure there's no leaks. Nope. All right.